Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how you can change your mouse cursor size and color. If you want to change your mouse cursor color or size, you can watch my video. Many people looking for how to change the color of mouse cursor and size. So you don't need to check further. Here is the video, so you can change it yourself after watching this video. Now first you have to go this Windows start menu and then write settings. Once you are in these settings, now you search for mouse. Once you search for mouse settings, then you are in mouse settings. Now from here you can check let me do it here. Okay, it's now okay. If I want to change mouse and cursor size, then click on this. Okay, now if I want to change pointer size and color, this is the size what I want to change. If you go there, then it will be big. If you go this side, then it will be small. Okay, if you want to change mouse color, then you can click on it. This mouse color, see my mouse color is get white. If you click on this, it will be black, and if you click this, then this half black and half white, and you can make colorful. If you want to get any other tutorial, let me know in comment section. You can comment which video you want, and I will try to make a video for this topic. If you think this video help you, you can like and share, and also you can subscribe. Bye. I wish you best of luck.